Hi, guys, and welcome to Usitility. In this particular video, you'll discover a simple method to experience your best Merge Magic game, even on a large screen, for instance, a laptop or computer. Installing this Android OS game on a computer is simple. I'll install this game on my PC to demonstrate all the steps. We should simply begin. To set up this game on computer, we've provided a URL for you in the description of this video. Here is the website link that you need to click. This URL will bring you to the page of Merge Magic in BlueStacks. BlueStacks is the application we will use to download and install the game as well as play it on the computer. It's an Android emulator, which emulates tablets or Android mobile phones, and we can use a keyboard and mouse, utilize a large screen, etc. This is the button to download Merge Magic for PC. The downloaded file is here now. Open this saved file. In Windows 10, it will have asked us for agreement. We respond with yes and then accept. Reduce the browser tab to go to installation settings. We'll set up the directory where to install this game. The directory could be selected by just pressing customize the installation. Then, just click here on back and press install now. It is going to download a few megabytes. In case you have a fast net connection, then the file will be downloaded very quickly. Now it will continue to install the emulator. The installation is finished. Take into account that the desktop will take some time to make configurations for BlueStacks and also to start it, but the next time, it's going to start immediately. The next task is essential. This is an option for Google Play. Sign in. You should just click here. Log in to Google Play by giving your email and password. It is essential to log in if we want to install the game. We will enter the email as well as the password of our Google account, and that's it. Look, we have signed in our Google account. Click on I agree to accept the terms of use. It informs us that if we want to make a backup of our device in the cloud, we select no, you do what you want. Look, we have been here in our Google Play account now. When you would like to visit the computer's desktop, click on this specific arrow. On the emulator screen, the icons of BlueStacks and also BlueStacks multi-instance will appear. BlueStacks icon is for starting the BlueStacks app. BlueStacks multi-instance is basically for installing this game. Right after performing all of the crucial steps, we've finally gotten to the installation phase. We will head to Google Play and additionally click install. Google Play may also ask you to set up the account and even the payment mode. We are not going to buy anything at all. Now, you will see, my PC is downloading Merge Magic. In case you have a fast net connection, it is not going to take so long as to download Merge Magic. So, it is now done installing, and since you can view it, it has now made an additional icon on the computer's desktop, Merge Magic, which will let us connect to the game without having to start the BlueStacks. Just like all other apps that you open on your laptop, this Merge Magic game will start after pressing this icon twice. You can even begin to the game through BlueStacks. I will click this BlueStacks icon to begin Merge Magic. Here's an option to configure the keyboard configuration. As we aren't eager to change keyboard settings, therefore, we will keep them as it is. To start with, I would like to tell you the two leading big screen solutions. This is to maximize the emulator. You will have a full screen having a border. Even so, if you'd like to get a 100% large screen, then this particular option is not suitable. Either you want to enter the full screen mode or perhaps exit, you need to click F11. Like that, we will be able to play in full screen without anything from Windows troubling us. It is evident that playing any game in an emulator takes a lot of power, and so the performance depends on the power of your laptop. Now, I am going to let you know how to change the language. For this purpose, you are likely to check out preferences. There are numerous languages readily available in this game. And here it is. Anyways, this is the game setup. Easy. We will keep posting such useful videos for you, therefore, do not forget to subscribe to Usitility and give a thumb up to the video. Thanks a lot, buddies, for paying attention. I hope this video will be useful for those who have watched it thoroughly. Bye.